the budgie, this is what they do. They chew everything. This is what he's done. Haven't you? Damage to my MacBook. There's the culprit. You wouldn't think so much damage could be caused by one little budgie. Would ya? You're so funny. Aren't you? You're a mischief maker, aren't you, Boo? Hey? Look at the mischief made of this, look what you've done here. What have you done? That's Budgie Boo for you, my little mischief maker. Come on then, come here. Come on, good boy. Say hello. Yeah, look, what are you doing? These cages on here because we're going to be giving it a clean up today, aren't we, Boo? Hey? Going to be cleaning your cage up. You're a funny little budgie, aren't you? Here, look, where's your bike? I had to put his bike in his cage so he could play with it. Where's your bike? Let's get your bike out. When he's out, we have to cover the TV up. Otherwise he'll be chewing the top of that. Hello. Good morning. Time to clean his cage out. What have you found? Come on. Just moved his bike on top of his cage. But I've got to get on with cleaning your cage, haven't I? So Boo resides in a Vision bird cage. We've had it now for nearly 3.5 years. It's the large version, and as you can see it has a mesh floor, and we lined the underneath part of that with old local newspapers. Helps with the clean up, catches all his mess. Just got to clean the top half next. So these are the pellets I give Boo. They're the same brand as these old ones were, but they seem to be a bit bigger in size. But he does much prefer seeds. But as you can see there, he's eating pellets. You're making a mess, aren't you, Boo, as usual? Alright, so his cage is back in its normal position. What are you doing up there, Boo? Clean for another week. You having a scratch? Hey, you having a scratch? Oh, you want a tickle now? You like a little tickle, don't you? Good boy. Good boy. Oh, sorting yourself out, are you? Right. Want another tickle? You do. How's that? Good? Little scratch? That's it. He's a good boy. You a good boy? Not actually talking much of that, are you, Boo?